Within Scrivener, you can also change the icons. We've spoken in another video earlier on about the different icons and what they mean in the standard install of Scrivener. But as you get more used to it, you may want to personalize things a little bit. And to change an icon really is very, very simple. I'll just use these folders down here as examples. If you actually click not on the name, okay, but on the actual icon itself, if I right click on that icon, I can go here and I can go up to change icon and I can change it to anything at all. So I've got a folder called ideas. I could use the thought bubble possibly, or the light bulb, and so let me use the light bulb and just choose that, and then that icon will change. And then maybe my characters, I could come in here to change icon and put my mask on there, for example, or whatever it may be. I may want to change the look of my draft folder, so again just right click on it, change the icon, and come up and maybe change it to a blue book or a brown book or whatever it may be. So that's just a very nice, simple, quick way to change up the look of things and customize things for your own use.